Hello everyone and welcome to my website KRWorkouts. My homepage is made up of navigation buttons to get to every area of my website. You can either use these buttons or the menu at the top of the page to navigate the website. I have used a plugin to allow users to subscribe to a monthly e-newsletter which I have manipulated to fit with my color scheme. And I have added social media buttons at the bottom of every page in the footer to allow visitors to get in touch with me on social media. This has also been manipulated to only display the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram icon. There is a accessibility plugin for people who need it, and a translator plugin for those who do not speak English. Also a cookie policy to comply with EU regulations, which the user can read more about, as well as a two-top plugin to allow the user to get to the top of the page quickly. This is the exercises homepage. The user can choose the body part they would like to train and click on the buttons accordingly. The exercise pages are full of content which the user can read. At the bottom of every exercise page, I have included a poll which asks the users which exercise they think is the best. There are also whole workout plans. Clicking on a plan will redirect the user to a PDF with details about the workout plan. The meal ideas page is supposed to give inspiration on the types of meals the user could make to either gain or lose weight. There are images of the food, ingredients, the method, and nutritional values included for each. This is the workout gear page. It is a shop that I've implemented into my website using the WooCommerce plugin. Here, the user can view different items clicking on the images or text to view more detail about each item. The user can add items to the basket, and there is a checkout feature which we will look at later. The supplements page is consistent with other menus on my site with navigation buttons for different supplements and nutritional items visitors may want to consider purchasing. Pressing any of the buttons will take the users to a shop which I have shown previously but with different items. There's an inspiration page which aims to get the users motivated to do something sports related. It features embedded motivational videos as well as embedded Twitter and Instagram feeds. The About Me page gives a little bit of my background and there are social icons to allow visitors to connect with me on social media. There is a forum for people to share their ideas which has been implemented using the WP40 plugin. It is protected by an anti-spam plugin in order to stop spam. Contact me page which allows visitors to contact me through email should they need any help. This uses Capture to protect against spam bots spamming the email inbox. Basket is part of the WooCommerce plugin. Visitors are able to add items to the basket, change quantities and add coupon codes as well as proceed to checkout. The checkout page allows users to enter their details and purchase items using PayPal. The WooCommerce plugin has had some implementation of CSS. I have changed the color of the text in the buttons, as well as all of the boxes that appear in order to go along with my color scheme. I use the WordPress security plugin to improve security on my website. I have changed the admin username, protected against brute force by adding login lockdown and login capture, as well as adding the Woo login capture and Woo register capture, and enabling a basic firewall and renaming the login page. Been backed up using the Back WP Up plugin, which I have manipulated to save to Dropbox and a folder. I have also created a copy of the public HTML file, which is on my personal laptop as well as a memory stick. The plugin has been manipulated to allow users to pay by PayPal. I have also manipulated the products of the WooCommerce plugin by adding my own products as well as adding categories which the products are situated in. The accessibility plugin has been manipulated in terms of the toolbar and what it displays, as well as its location on the page and what devices it appears on. The crowd signal poll plugin has been manipulated in terms of the types of questions that are asked, the answers which the user can answer, the poll style, as well as blocking repeat voting by cookie for at least 12 hours. This helps to protect against spam bots voting repeatedly. I use CSS multiple times across my website in order to create a color scheme on my website and to improve the overall design. I've also used a child theme which may be called upon when automated updates are made to the parent theme. The global CSS which has been used includes defining button size for navigation buttons, changing color of the hover on the menu, as well as reducing the footer size. I have also changed the size and bottom bar color, changed the color of the footer, moved the bottom bar text to the center, as well as changing the color of the two top button plugin and its location. In the workout plans, I have also used CSS to remove the space between the text and the image. I've also disabled file editing on the site in order to improve security. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my site.